Welcome everybody. This is our Network Operations Center. My name is Mark Malash. I'm the Senior Vice President of Operations. I'm responsible for everything in the network, everything on the ground, the towers, the airborne equipment, as well as the IT infrastructure and applications. So this is a portion of what you're going to see today. This is a 24/7 by 365 shop. We built this in 2007 to support our first 92 cell sites. Since then, we've grown over 200 cell sites, and now we've expanded the operations capability and scaled it to cover our global network and our international service.
The Inmarsat satellite coverage, basically these the different shapes that you see are actual spot beams from the satellites, and they will change color based on what's going on with those different transmit and receive, what's occurring with those. The yellow dots are the airport hub locations in Asia, and also if there's any particular alarms that come through, there will be a coloration, and we'll start getting information about what's occurring with that site. We can actually dive in and go into some detail that provided service. And today we are actually at 223 sites, and that also includes Canada, and we've gone up the coast to provide Alaska coverage all the way up to Fairbanks and the North Slope. Screen. This is where all of the data points and the alarms come together within the common monitoring tool. The various teams that we've got within the NOC actually have their own particular console views. They work their own area.
Okay, here we have a flight from Seoul, Korea to Detroit yesterday. Okay, what you're seeing is a green. You're looking at the flight path. Okay, so I see the green is obviously in network. The red is out of network. Now for this particular flight, 747 minutes, 12 and a half hours about. 12, a little over 12 of that is actually above service altitude that we're allowed to actually transmit and receive data, basically. So of that theoretical, we have 100% theoretical RF availability because we have no gaps in our coverage. And so of that, 99% was available to the customer.
My name's Bob Stuzza. I'm the manager of SATCOM Systems Engineering. This is the quote-unquote SATCOM lab, but primarily dedicated to GTO, and then in the near future, 2KU. Some of the main equipment used in the lab. This is our simulation rack.
One of Gogo's primary test labs. We test our air-to-ground system, our air-to-ground 4 system, which is our system that's about 2 years in production. Our KU system, which you see here, and early development stages of GTO. You can see it's starting to dither. So this was a simulation from
US parking capacity.
Okay.
Using
Our ACPU we use today, so our control processor unit, is about 8 years old in technology. So we have developed a new ACPU called ACPU 2, and it has the latest technology.